to Learning Paradise. And if you like our videos, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. The Learning Paradise is the place to be. Play, explore, use art, and read. Come along with us on our learning journey. Play, explore, use art, and read. New videos each and every week. Play, explore, use art, and read.
Hey guys, I'm Taryn.
And I'm Lauren.
And together
we are Learning Paradise.
So today we're going to be making these hatching chicks inspired for Easter time and springtime. So let's get started. First, the materials you'll need. 2 paper plates per person.
Googly eyes.
And if you want, you can also have markers.
Glue stick.
Yellow cardstock.
And orange cardstock for the nose. And feathers.
You can also have different colored cardstock if you want to add some flowers or some other decorations.
You also need scissors.
So first off, we're going to take our first egg. This egg...
Wait, wasn't there those,
Oh, yeah.
Really thingy?
Brads. You might have to have your parents or your teachers for a brad because it's not something that you would just find laying around in your house. So, first thing you're going to need to do is take one of your paper plates because this is going to be your egg. Now, if you want, you can decorate this egg, which I'm going to do. Do you want to decorate your egg?
Yep.
All right, then let's decorate. Hey guys, so we finished decorating our eggs, and now it's time to cut them. So you can do a little zigzag line for your cut. You just go up, then you find a good stopping point, and then you go down and find a good stopping point. And you just keep doing it. And once you cut it, it should look like this. So now it's time for us to set our eggshell aside and pick it up. Okay, and we're going to take our other eggshell. This time, we're gonna get yellow cardstock paper and we're gonna cut out the body of our chick.
You just have to put the chick in the middle of your plate.
And glue it with your glue stick.
Now we're going to decorate our chick.
Alright guys, so we finished our chicks and now it is time for us to glue on the bottom shell. So you're gonna take your glue stick and you're gonna put it on the rim of the plate. So as you can see, this little line around the plate, that's where you're gonna put your glue. Try to go as far as you can or as far as you think your shell goes, so like halfway.
Okay, so this is what your little chick inside the egg should look like.
Now we're gonna take the top half of our eggshell and we're just gonna measure it to see how it closes up and opens up. This is the part where we're going to need our brads and where you may need an adult. So we have this little pin and we're gonna poke it through both the top shell and the back shell. It's a little hard. There we go. And be careful because if you use a pin, it is sharp. Then you're going to somehow try and stick your brad through the hole that your pin made. And then you're going to fold the 2 little tabs. And there you go. Now it opens and closes just like that. And here are our eggshells. Crack. And here are our eggs. Well, chicks, I mean. Yeah, you probably don't want to cook this over a stove, you know, because there's an actual chick inside.
Ta-ta-ta! And the Easter Bunny has arrived.
We hope you guys enjoyed today's Easter video because it was absolutely excellent. And we'll see you next time on the Learning Paradise. Bye! And cut! Ow, that hurt my finger.